In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your real voice to Grok AI videos. If you've ever wanted your AI generated video to feel more personal and authentic, using your own voice makes a huge difference. It helps your message land with clarity and adds the tone and personality only you can bring. We'll keep things simple and stick to 3 actions. Open Grok, click voice, and start speaking. Along the way, I'll share tips so your recording sounds clean and professional. First, go to Grok. Open your preferred browser and head to the Grok website. A modern browser and a stable internet connection will make everything smoother. If you're prompted to continue into your workspace, just proceed as you normally would. Before moving on, it's a great moment to set yourself up for good audio. Choose a quiet spot, reduce background noise, and if possible, use headphones to prevent echo. If you have an external microphone, plug it in now and make sure it's selected as your input in your system settings. Next, click on Voice. In the Grok interface, look for the voice option and select it. This is where Grok listens for your narration. Your browser may ask for permission to use the microphone. Go ahead and allow it so your audio can be captured. Double check that the right microphone is chosen, especially if you're switching between built-in and external mics. A quick rule of thumb, keep the mic about a hand's width from your mouth, angle it slightly off-center to reduce plosives, and speak at a comfortable level to avoid distortion. Now, you may start speaking. Take a breath. Glance at your outline or talking points and begin in a natural, steady pace. Aim for clear enunciation with short, complete sentences. If Grok shows any on-screen cues, like a level indicator or a prompt that recording has begun, use those as your guide. If your voice sounds too soft, move a little closer. If it sounds harsh or clipped, ease back slightly or lower your input gain. Don't worry about small stumbles. Pause for a second, then continue. Those brief silences make it easier to refine your video later, and they also give Grok space to align your narration with visuals. Keep your energy consistent and let your personality come through. Once you finish speaking, Grok takes it from there, pairing your real voice with your AI video. If something doesn't sound right, check your browser's microphone permissions, confirm the correct device is selected, or refresh the page and try again. That's it. Simple, clear, and authentically you.